A dimly lit showroom, spotlights gradually illuminating the silhouette of the 2025 Ford Mustang. The camera moves in slowly, revealing the aggressive stance, the sculpted lines, and the gleaming red paint reflecting off the polished floor. A voiceover begins, deep and engaging. There it is, the icon, reborn. The 2025 Ford Mustang isn't just a car, it's a statement, a machine built for those who refuse to blend in. A legacy of power, precision, and adrenaline-fueled performance, now refined with modern engineering. Every inch of this beast is designed to captivate, from its aggressive front fascia to its unmistakable triple-bar taillights. The camera zooms into the front, capturing the bold blacked-out grille, where the galloping Mustang emblem proudly sits. Flanking it are sharp LED headlights that cut through the darkness like a predator in the wild. The sculpted hood, with its aerodynamic contours, hints at the raw power lurking beneath. Beneath that hood lies the heart of this machine, a roaring engine that pushes limits and sets new standards for speed and control. The shot transitions to the side profile, revealing the sleek, sloping roofline that merges seamlessly into the trunk. The muscular fenders house massive black alloy wheels, wrapped in high-performance tires, gripping the road with unwavering confidence. The aerodynamic side mirrors and the low stance add to its commanding presence, making it clear that this is a machine built for the thrill of the drive. As the camera moves around, we get a view of the rear, a masterpiece of design and function. The iconic tri-bar taillights glow menacingly, while the quad exhaust pipes hint at the symphony of power waiting to be unleashed. The aggressive diffuser and subtle lip spoiler ensure stability at high speeds, making every drive an experience in precision engineering. Step inside, and the Mustang welcomes you with an interior crafted for the modern driver. The cockpit is a perfect blend of technology and comfort, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster that responds to your every command. The flat-bottom steering wheel, wrapped in premium leather, sits comfortably in your grip, giving you total control over the beast beneath you. The center console is home to a state-of-the-art touchscreen infotainment system, seamlessly integrated with every feature you need, from navigation to performance monitoring. The seats, upholstered in luxurious red leather with contrast stitching, hug you in place as you prepare for the journey ahead. The ambient lighting sets the mood, adapting to your driving style, calm and sophisticated in the city, fiery and intense on the open road. Every switch, every dial, every element is meticulously crafted to enhance the experience, ensuring that the driver remains at the heart of it all. With a push of the start button, the Mustang awakens. The deep, throaty growl of the engine echoes through the showroom, sending shivers down the spine. This isn't just sound, it's the promise of an unforgettable ride. As the revs build, the power is felt through the pedals, waiting to be unleashed on the asphalt. The advanced suspension system and precision-tuned aerodynamics ensure that every corner is a dance, every straightaway an opportunity to push beyond limits. Out on the road, the Mustang dominates. The wind rushes past, the tires grip with unwavering confidence, and the world blurs into motion. Whether carving through winding mountain roads or accelerating on a straight highway, the 2025 Ford Mustang is built for those who crave more than just a drive, it's built for those who live for the thrill. This isn't just another car, it's a legend reimagined. A machine crafted for the bold, the fearless, the ones who refuse to settle for ordinary.